This question is no different from the previous ones, but we are just incorporating more of our skills that we've learned throughout the chapter. So as before, we split up our inequality. We do not work with all three at the same time. So we look at this part first. I write it down here, and I just start to do some of the steps, get rid of the brackets. Greater than x minus 1. Okay, simplifying, bring all the x to one side, minus 3x, minus 2, so minus 3. Multiply by negative 1 on both sides, so the sign must change direction. We divide by 3, which is a positive number, so the sign stays the same way. We're done with one part. Now we look at the right hand side. We look at this part. When we look at this part, we write it down. X minus 1 greater than or equal to. Notice that the sign here and here are different. Okay, and we start to expand. Half x minus 7 over 2. Bringing all the x to one side. X minus half x is still x. Is still half x. Sorry. So that's half x. And we plus 1 on the other side, so it's 1 plus 1 minus 7 over 2. Simplifying it a bit, this part here is half x greater than or equals to 1 minus 7 over 2 is minus 5 over 2. We multiply by 2 on both sides, which is a positive number, and we get negative 5. Okay, so we are ready to draw a number line, combine the solutions. So I'm going to draw a bit lower, running out of space. Our important numbers are 1 and here negative 5. For our yellow solution, this is an empty circle, hollow circle. Right? For our blue solution, it is a solid circle. So here, I'll make it as solid as possible. Okay, and now when we look at the overlap, we have to be mindful of what we take. So down here, we follow blue. This is a solid circle. We follow yellow. It is a empty circle. So take note now, there is a solid circle here, there is an empty circle here. For the final solution, x is less than 1 without any equal sign, but it is greater than or equal to negative 5. And we can see that nothing has really changed, but you do have to be mindful that the signs are different, and when you draw your number line, this will be very important. But otherwise, nothing has really changed.